Hi, this is Steve Withers and welcome to a short video review of the Optoma HD33. At a retail price of only £1,300, this is the cheapest 3D projector on the market and offers a chance to enjoy big screen 3D at a price that is less than many 3D TVs. The HD33 itself is a single chip DLP projector, and the overall design follows previous Optoma projectors with a white chassis and a high definition lens that is offset to the right. There are manual controls for the zoom and focus of this lens, but unfortunately there are no lens shift controls, so correct placement of the projector will be paramount. There is a large intake vent on the right hand side of the chassis and a large exhaust vent on the left hand side. At the rear of the chassis are the various connections, including 2 HDMI inputs and a host of legacy connections. Also at the rear is a connection socket for the 3D Rf Emitter. This emitter is incredibly small, and since it is RF rather than infrared, it doesn't need to be in line of sight, and thus can be placed anywhere. The 3D glasses themselves are active shutter, and since they use RF, there was never any problems with losing sync. The glasses were comfortable to wear, had large lenses for a wide field of view, and cut out ambient light at the sides. The remote control is small and sturdy and fits comfortably in the hand. It has backlighting and was easy to use, but we did find the position of the menu button a little frustrating. There are no controls on the projector itself, so it would be preferable not to lose the remote. Moving on to the menus themselves, and there are a number of display controls as well as calibrated presets such as Cinema and Reference, both of which offer the best out-of-the-box performance. There are even 2 lockable ISF presets that can be accessed by a professional calibrator. For advanced calibration, the HD33 offers a 2-point white balance control which can be used to adjust the grayscale performance, but unfortunately there is no colour management system, although to be fair, at this price point you wouldn't really expect one. Both the Cinema and Reference presets offer excellent out-of-the-box grayscale and gamma measurements, and the white balance control allows a reference performance after calibration. Unfortunately, the out-of-the-box colour performance wasn't as accurate as the grayscale, and there is no colour management system to help improve this. However, with actual material, the colour performance was reasonably good, producing an accurate and bright image. The only weakness was in the black levels, which tended to impact on the overall dynamic range of the image. The 3D performance was quite exceptional for a projector at this price point, with a bright image that was almost completely free of crosstalk. The addition of the 3D glasses renders concerns about the black levels moot, and the overall image was pleasingly accurate and immersive. The Optoma HD33 is an excellent projector, especially when you consider that it only costs £1,300, and that includes the emitter and 1 pair of active shutter glasses. The 2D performance is very good, and the 3D performance is excellent, making the HD33 an obvious choice for anyone considering taking their first steps into big screen 3D. The Optoma HD33 gets our Best Buy badge, and you can read the full in-depth review at www.avforums/reviews. Thanks for watching.